If you're having issues uploading your story to Facebook, in today's video, let me show you a couple of common fixes that you can try out. The first thing that you need to ensure is that if you have a stable internet connection. If you are currently connected to a Wi-Fi network, you can also try switching to a different network such as your cellular data. Now, once you ensure that, the other thing that you can also try out is try to clear the app cache. What you can do is just tap and hold the app of Facebook and then head over to this eye icon. From the settings page, just find the option of the clear data option and then just tap on clear cache. Once you complete this step, just remove the Facebook app from the recent list and then try to see if the issue is now fixed. If the issue still persists, what you can also try out is try to look for any new updates available. So just head over to the Play Store or the App Store, search for Facebook, and if you do see new updates available, you can just tap on the update button. Updating applications helps to fix any sort of bugs which may be causing this issue. Now, what you can also try out, if none of these solutions work out for you, you can try logging into your Facebook account using a web browser, either from your desktop or your phone. You can quickly open up your web browser, search for facebook.com and try to see if you can now log in. If you still cannot log in using the browsers as well, that likely means Facebook is down right now. So you can try this process in a couple of minutes, or sometimes it may also take a couple of hours, so you can try later on. If this guide video was helpful, be sure to subscribe. That's gonna be all for this one. I'll see you in the next video.